Hello guys, Kalisek is here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and use of Phoneinfoga. Phoneinfoga is one of the most advanced tools to scan international phone numbers. It allows you to first gather basic information such as country, area, carrier, and live type. It uses Google Docs to find out everything. Let's visit the documentation. Now, in the installation, copy this command to our terminal. Let's paste it. If you want to create a banner like this, I have added a video in the end of the video. Let's copy this command and paste it. Simply type Phoneinfoga to it gives the basic command here scan for a phone number, serve web client, and we also see the version. Now use it. Type Phoneinfoga scan -n and now type your phone number. This phone number with the country code, and it gives the basic information like country, line type, and the refresh reports, social media, everything using the phone number. For graphical user interface to run scans from the browser, simply type Phoneinfoga serve. Now visit the server. Select your country, then type your phone number and click on Lookup. Here is the result, and here is Google search for the number. This is how you can use Phoneinfoga.